Brinks versus Masterlock, round one. This is the tale of the tape. Brinks has 5 pins to Master's 4. It has 2,800 pounds of cutting resistance to Master's 6mm shackle. Brinks has 1,500 pounds of prying force to Master's superior pry force, whatever that means. Brinks is made in China, but Masterlock is made to specific Masterlock specifications in China, which is totally different. The bidding will be what bidding will be, but if I'm judging by these before I open them, I say advantage again goes to Brinks. Here are the rules, gentlemen. I'm gonna open each one of you and I'm gonna open each one of you out of the package and attempt to open each one of you. Whoever lasts the longest wins this round. Is that clear? All right, no punching below the belt. We'll start with Brinks. Where the heck did that come from? Random spring. Five pin lock, so we'll try a 5-pin rake. Whoa, that didn't last long. Well, you're up, Master. ML. Since you're only a 4-pin lock, we'll use a 4-peak rake. Oh, this is not looking good for Masterlock. I mean, Brinks. My bad. Maybe top of the keyway. All right. Enough of the 4-peak, let's try a duo. Ooh. Well. If this series is going to do anything, it's going to show you how bad of a picker I am. In an embarrassing conclusion for both me and Brinks, I was not able to get the Master 140 open. So it's clearly a better lock than the Brinks. What was this model number? 171-42001. That's a terrible name. Either way, in conclusion, the round one winner is Masterlock. And your round one loser is Brinks. Thank you for playing.